In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your resume and make it visible on LinkedIn. It's a straightforward process that can enhance your job-seeking efforts by making your resume accessible to potential employers. Let's dive right in and get started. First, make sure you have the LinkedIn app open on your mobile device, or if you prefer, head over to linkedin.com on your computer. Once you're there, you'll want to locate your profile icon. It's at the top left of the screen. Give it a tap or a click. Now at the bottom left, you're going to see an option labeled Settings. Go ahead and tap on that. Now that we're in the Settings menu, you'll need to scroll down a bit until you spot the Data Privacy section. Tap on Data Privacy and then continue scrolling down until you find Job Seeking Preferences. In here, you'll see an option for Job Application Settings. Let's tap on that. This section is crucial because here you can upload your resume. Simply tap the Upload button and then select a resume file from your device, whether it's your phone or computer. Once your resume is uploaded, you have the option to toggle on features like Share my resume with my recruiters and Save resume and application data. Enabling these options allows recruiters on LinkedIn who are looking for potential candidates to view your resume, potentially opening doors to new job opportunities. Now, there's an additional step you might find beneficial. Let's go back to the main settings menu and tap on Visibility. In this section, select Profile Viewing Options. It's a handy feature because it lets you see who's viewed your profile. This visibility can be useful when you're networking or considering reaching out to someone about a job opportunity. Once that's set, let's move on to making your resume even more visible. Tap your profile icon once more and select View Profile. Here, you have the opportunity to showcase your resume prominently. Tap on Add section, then go into the Recommended category and choose Add Featured. In the top right corner, you'll see a plus icon. Tap it to upload a photo of your resume. This can be done by printing your resume and taking a clear picture of it. This way, anytime someone visits your profile, they'll see a photo of your resume in the Featured section. And that's it. Your resume is now uploaded and visible on LinkedIn. I hope this guide has helped you make the most out of LinkedIn for your job search. If you found it useful, tap the subscribe button down below, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.